Yes, Ethan, let's see here. Everything is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's see here. First, it's about factor. Okay. So what do you know about the factor? Can you please tell me?
Sir, factor
Hmm.
is a number that multiplies the number.
What?
Factor is the number which multiplies a number, which is called multiple.
They are the multiples, not the factors. I'm talking about factors
Yes,
there. Huh.
sir, that's what. Factors are the numbers that multiply it.
No, sorry, I didn't understand what you want to say. Can you please give some examples?
Sir, example 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4.
4. Yes.
2 will be the factor.
2 will be the factor,
Factor.
है ना? Yes, very good. So here we can say that ki multiplicand and multiplier will be the factors of the product, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this we can say na. Or in simple we can say that ki when a number divide another number, then that number will be known as the, or the number which divides, है ना, which divide the given number, so that number will be known as the factor of the given number. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Like this we can say that ki when a number divides another number, okay, as here 2 can divide 4, right? Or 4 is divisible by 2, right? So here 2 will be known as the factor.
Yes,
Factor of
sir.
2 is factor of 4, right? Is it clear now? Okay. Or any doubt? So when a number divides the given number, then the number will be known as the factor of the given number. Is it clear?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now as here factor is finite for any number, for any number the factor is, that is finite,
Infinite.
right? Finite, not infinite. Multiples are infinite. Multiples can be infinite, है ना? But the factor is finite. As an example, factors of 10. Factors of 10 are, what are they? So here we will start from 1, right? 1 can divide 10. It's mean 1 is the factor of 10. Now let's check for 2.
Yes, sir.
2 can 2 divide 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in 5 times. So
Yes,
2
sir.
will be the factor of 10. Next,
Yes, sir.
next number, next factor will be after 2,
5.
5. Very good. And the next number
10.
is, and after this, the next number is
10.
10. Very good.
Number
So as
10.
you can see here, how many factors of 10? How many total factors? How many total factors of 10?
4.
4. What are they? What are they, dear?
1, 2,
Hmm?
5, and 10.
Yes, 1, 2, 5, and 10, right?
1,
Is it
2,
clear now?
5, and 10.
Yes, yes. So 1, 2,
And 10.
5, and 10 are the
Yes, sir.
factors of 10. As you can see here, there are total 10, 4 factors of 10, right? So as you can see here, they are finite. They are finite in number, na?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Is it clear or any doubt? Now the second number is 1 is the factor of all number. 1 is the factor of all number. Okay, is it clear? Yes, all numbers can be divisible by 1, na? Right? All numbers,
Yes, sir.
2 can be divisible by 1, 10 can be divisible by 1, 5 can be divisible by 1, 11 can be divisible by 1. So 1 is the factor of all numbers. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
The second point is कि every number is a factor of every number is a factor of 0. Every number is a factor of 0. Why? Because 0 is divisible by every number, right? 0 is divisible by 2, as you can see here. In how many times in the table of 2, in how many times we will get 0?
Yes, sir.
In the table of 2, in how many times we will get 0? In 0 times. Very good, है ना? So as here 2 in 0 times 0.
0.
Yes. So here as you can see, the quotient or the answer is 0, right? In 0 times 2 in 0 times can divide 0, right? Is it clear now? Or this can be also written as 0 by 2 is equal to 0, or 0 divided by 2 we will get 0 as the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so every number is the factor of 0. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
is it clear now?
Yes,
After that, every number is factor of itself.
yes, sir.
Every number is a factor of itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. As you can see here, 2 can divide 2 in 1 times, 4 can divide 4 in 1 times, right? 13 can divide 13,
Yes,
the number itself, in 1 times. So every number is a factor of itself. Okay, after
yes, sir.
that, a number is greatest factor of itself. Okay, so here we can say that na ki the number that number will be the greatest factor of itself. Is it clear? As here you can see the factor of 10 are 1 2 5 10, right? So 10 is the factor of itself,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And this is the greatest factor of that number, right? So greatest factor of any number will be the
Yes,
number
sir.
itself. The number itself. Is it clear now? Or any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. Yes, sir.
Second point is the factor of a number other than 0 is smaller than or equal to the number. Okay? Then the factor of a number other than 0, okay, is smaller than or equal to that number. Okay? As you can see here, the factor of 10 are 1 2 5 and 10. Okay? All the factors are smaller than 10 or equal to 10, right? These factors are smaller than 10 and this factor is equal to 10. Okay, is it clear here? Every number has at least two
Yes,
factor.
sir.
Every number has at least two factor, है ना? That is 1 and the number itself.
Yes, sir.
So that type of number will be exceptional case, है ना? Or that type of number will be
Yes,
known
sir.
as prime number, right? We have already learned these things
Yes, sir.
right now.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt? So do you
Yes,
want to
sir.
note down any point from here?
Sir, let me check if I note it down. If I note it down,
Hmm. Yeah, please check it. And everything is given in your book. So if possible, please note down it in your fair copy also, है ना, in homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, Ethan. So let's see here. Your concept has been clear now for factor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see here. It's common factor. Okay. Common factor.
Yes, sir.
So by the name you can easily understand here the word common, right? The word common means
You usual.
okay, but not in that sense. When we will compare the uh, things between two different objects or person, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
when they have the similarities, है ना, or when they have the similar things, then we can say that कि they are the common things between them, right? As an
Yes.
example, the common things between us are the color of hair,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Color of hair is common now,
Yes, sir.
or we can say same. Our gender is common, right?
Yes, sir.
Our gender is common, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
the other things,
We're all
number of ears,
equal. Yes, sir.
number of eyes,
Yes,
number
sir.
of nose, number of hands, fingers, like this, है ना? They all things we have same, right? So we
Yes,
can
sir.
say that कि they these things are in common, right, between us,
Yes, sir.
right? Similarly here, by the name you can easily understand common. Here common word is used for
Yes,
factor.
sir.
It's mean कि when the two number or more than two number have
The
have
common factor.
very good, or we can say have same factor, है ना? When
Yes,
two
sir.
or more than two number have same factor, then that same factor will be known as common factor. Is it clear, or any doubt?
No, sir. No.
As an example, factors of 10. Factors of 10, what are they? Tell me. Yes,
Uh,
tell me.
2, 5,
No, no, not from 2. We will start from
1,
1 always, na? Because 1 is the factor of every number, right? So 1, 2,
yes, sir.
5, and 10,
2,
right? Hmm?
10.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, factor of, now, factor of, let it be 15. Okay? Factor of 15. So what are the factor of 15?
15.
Yes.
1,
1, very good. 3, okay.
3, 5,
5, yes. And 15, very good.
15.
So what are the common factor? Common factor means which are same, है ना? Common factor of 10 and 15. Let's see here, you have to just find the same factor, है ना, which are the factor of both number. So what are they? Let's see here.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, 1 is in both, right? So we can
Yes,
say
sir.
that कि 1, as here 1 can divide the both numbers, so 1 is the common factor, right? Of 10 and 15, right? Very is it clear?
Yes,
After
sir.
that, the next number is next common factor
5.
5. Very good. As you can see, 5 is in both number, right? Or 5 can divide the both number 10 and 15
Yes,
also,
sir.
right? So here we can say that कि 1 and 5 are the common factors of 10 and 15. Is it clear? Okay? Or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
let's take one more example, है ना?
No, sir, no.
Let's take one more example, okay, so that you can understand the next step in a very easy way. Factors of, okay,
Yes, sir.
factors of 9. What are the factors of 9? What are the factors of 9?
Factors of 9. 1,
1.
3,
After this, 3 and
9.
9.
9.
Very good, very good. After this, we will take factors of, uh, let it be 18. Okay, factors of 18. So, what are the factors of 18? What are the
18.
factors of 18?
Uh, uh,
Always start 1, है ना? Here, there is no chance of confusion, because we know that ki 1 is the factor of every number. So, within the second,
yes, sir.
we will say 1, because 1 is the factor of everyone, right? After this, we have to think. So, when we have to think, we will check by each and every number one by one, है ना? Okay, so 1, and after that let it check by 2.
Yes, sir.
2,
2,
yes, then
9,
3. 3 6 18.
9.
3 3.
Oh, yeah. 3.
3 after this.
Yes, sir.
After
6.
this 6, very good.
6.
huh After this
And 9.
9. After this, and in the last,
18.
the number itself, right? है ना? Because the greatest factor of any number is the itself, है ना? Or in the last we will write the number itself,
Yeah,
okay?
yes, sir.
So now right here we can say that ki
Yes,
so
sir.
common factors of 9 and 18 are, what are they? Check it one by one. Let's check here. As you can see, 1 is in both, right?
1.
So 1 will be the common factor. Yes, very good. After this, 2
Yes,
is
sir.
in 18, but 2 is in not in 9. So 2 will be not the
3.
common factor. Yes, very good. Next will be 3. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So 3 after this,
3.
and after this
9.
9. Very good. है ना? So
9.
as you can see here, there are 3 common factors of 9 and 18. They are 1, 3 and 9. Okay? Now, can you notice here? The lowest common factor for all is
Yes, sir.
lowest. As you can see here,
1.
we have to learn. Ha, very good, है ना? The word is lowest common factor. It's mean first we have to find the factor, and then we have to check the common, and among the common, no, that is the lowest common multiple. I am talking about lowest common factor. Yes, that is the multiple, not, I'm just talking about the factors. Sorry. So we have to find the common factors, and among the common factors, as we can see here, the lowest common factor of every number is 1, right? So in this way, we will check for the highest common factor. Okay? What
Yes,
factor?
sir. Highest common factor.
Yes, highest common factor, है ना? So as you can see here, the highest common factor for different number is different, right? है ना? As here, the common factor of 10 and 15 are 1 and 5, right? So among the common
Yes, sir.
factors, which factor is the highest common factor? Which one is the highest or which one is the greatest?
The number itself.
No, no, no. I'm talking about the common factors of 10 and
9.
15. No, 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 Ethan. See here. I'm talking in common factors of 10 and 15, not 9 and 18. I'm talking for common factors of 10 and 15. So the highest common factor is which number is highest? 1 or 5?
Okay.
1 or 5?
Okay. 1, 5.
Which one is highest
5.
or which one is greatest? 5. Very good. So here 5 will be the greatest common factor of 10 and 15 or highest common factor of 10 and 15. Okay? That's too simple. Similarly, you can say for 9 and 18 na, the common factors of 9 and 18 are 1, 3
Yes, sir.
and 9, right? So among 1, 3 and 9, which number is the greatest or highest?
9.
9. So in the simple way we can say that the highest common factor of 9 and 18 is 9, right? Is it clear
9.
or any doubt?
Yes, sir. Go solo right.
Okay, very good. So this was the concept of common factor and after that highest common factor. Okay, such as an example, factors of
Yes, sir.
let it be 8. Okay, what are the factors of 8? Tell me. What are the factors of 8?
1,
Hmm?
2,
Very good.
4,
Okay. And 8. Okay. After this, factors of
8.
let it be 12. Okay. So what are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12?
Factors of 12.
First one is
1.
1. Hmm?
Yes.
Then
2.
2,
Uh, 3.
3. Okay.
4.
4,
6.
6
And 12.
and 12. Very good. Now here we will write common factor. है ना? Common
Yes, sir.
factors of 8 and 12. So what are the common factors of 8 and 12? Let's check here.
1.
Let's check here. The first one is 1. As you can see here, 1.
1.
है ना? Yeah. For your comfortable, you can draw the circle like this. है ना? Next one is,
Yes, sir.
next one, 2. Very good. Next, and 4. है ना? And 4. Okay. Now let's see here which number is the highest among these 1, 2 and 4. Yes, tell me. Hello. Yeah, it is 4, right? So simply we can say that the highest common factor of 8 and 12, highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4, है ना? It's mean the highest number which can divide both 8 and 12, that is 4, है ना? So 4 is the highest number or the greatest number which can divide both 8 and 12. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this was the concept of highest common factor. I hope you now got the concept. Okay?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Now let's see here. There are the few points. The highest common factor, in short, it is known as HCF. है ना? Or we can say that greatest
Yes,
common
sir.
factor. Greatest common factor. The other name
Common factor.
for highest common factor is greatest common factor. Okay, that is GCF. Both are same. GCF. Okay, both are same. Is it clear? Now, can you please tell me why we always find the highest common factor? Why not lowest common factor? Because the lowest common factor of every number will be,
One.
what will be the common factor? Lowest common factor for everyone, every number, it is 1. Very good. So when we will find the lowest common factor for any number, for any two or more than two numbers, in every time our answer will be same. In every time our answer will be same, that will be 1, right? So that's why we didn't go with the lowest common factor, because for lowest common factor, every time the answer will be same, that is 1. So that's why we didn't go with lowest common factor, we go with highest common factor. Okay,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear now? And highest common factor is also known as greatest common factor.
Greatest common
Highest
factor.
common factor in short HCF, greatest common factor in short GCF. Okay, so when it will ask find the greatest common factor, then at that time you have to not be panic. Okay, you have to just understand ki yes, the sir told me ki both are same, so in that one you can easily find the HCF, right? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So first we understand about the factor, after that we understand about the common factor, and slowly we move towards the highest common factor. Is it clear? And in the same way we will find the highest common factor for any number by mentioning each and every step like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first we will write the factors one by one, then we will write the common factors, and then we will write the highest common factor. So in the same way you have to do for any question. Okay, this is your homework. You have to find the highest common factor. Okay, find HCF of, HCF of the first one is 6 and 18. Okay, and the second question is uh, 5 and 20. This two question you have to do by yourself by the same method. See here, I am again saying it hand, by the same method. First you have to write the factor of each number like this. Okay, then you have to find the common factors,
Yes, sir.
and then you have to find the highest common factor. So in one, two, three, 4 steps,
Yes,
in
sir.
total 4 steps you have to solve each and every questions. Huh, when, yes, but when it will about any particular method, then we will learn the methods also. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
At that time you have to, when it will ask to solve the highest common factor by any particular method, then at that time you have to solve it by that method. Okay, but when it will not
Yes,
asking
sir.
about any method, then at that time you have to solve by this method. Okay, first one by one
Yes, sir.
find the HCF, and after that find the find the factor, and then find the common factor, then find the highest common factor. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
please note down this
may
one.
I know which page is the question then?
I gave it by myself, dear. The
Oh,
book one
what?
we will discuss it after. Okay, just for checking your concept I gave it by myself. Okay,
Okay.
just note down from here common factors for this one, then this another example, and then note down this one highest common factor, and then note down the homework. Okay, yeah, please note down it, dear.
Sir, yes, sir.
And one more point, Ethan, This highest common factor is also known as greatest common divisor. Okay, greatest
Yes, sir.
common divisor. I am writing here. Okay, let me check. Here is the space or not. Or greatest common divisor. Okay, that is in short GCD. So all these three are same: greatest common factor GCF, greatest common divisor GCD, or highest common factor HCF. Both all these three are same. Okay, yeah, now please note down it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then so let's see here. There is a point, okay, which you have to keep in mind.
Yes, sir.
The HCF of two consecutive even number, okay, consecutive even number is 2. Okay, for any two consecutive even number, the HCF will be always 2. Okay, as an example, see here, tell me any two consecutive even number.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Okay, it's too small, no problem. 2 and 4. Okay, so here the factors of 2. Factors of 2 are, what are they?
1
1 and
and 2.
2.
2.
And factors of 4, factors of 4 are
1, 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Okay, so common factors will be, common factors of 2 and 4 are, what are they?
2
1 and
1
2, right? So highest common factor will be,
2.
will be 2, right? So as you can see here, 2 and 4 are two consecutive even number and their HCF is 2, right? We can
Yes,
take
sir.
the another examples also. See here, the other examples. Okay. Now let it greater number 16 and 18. Now let take the greater number. Okay. 16 and 18. So 16 and 18 are two consecutive even number, right? So factors of 16 are, what are they?
16 are
Let us start with 1.
1,
Hmm.
2,
2.
3.
No, 3 is the factor of 16.
No, no, not
3 can't divide 16, na?
I got confused.
4,
Yes, sir.
8,
4
and 16,
and
right?
16. Yes, sir.
Yes, similarly, factors
Yes,
of
sir.
18. Factors of 18 are 1, then 2,
Uh, 2, 4.
hmm, 3 also, na? Not 4, it's 3. Then 6,
Oh, yeah, sir. 3.
9,
8.
and 18, right?
9. 9. Yes.
So common factors of 16 and 18 are, what they will be?
16 and 18.
Tell me, you can see
1,
here
2. Yes, sir.
1 and 2. So HCF will be Highest common factor of 16 and
2 is the
18
highest common factor.
is 2, right? Is it clear?
2.
So as you can see here, 16 and 18 are two consecutive even number, right? And their HCF is 2.
Yes, yes.
So whenever it will be in the question, whenever the two number is given and you have to find the HCF, okay? So just notice that whether it is they are two consecutive even number or not. If they are two consecutive even number, then their HCF will be 2 always, okay?
2.
Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no, no.
No, na? Then please note down this point, okay? Please note down this point, and if you want to note down the examples, you can also note down the examples, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, then. So is there any doubt till here?
No, sir, no, no.
Okay. Now let's see here. The another point, okay, which you have to keep in mind. Two numbers are said to be co-prime, okay? Co-prime if their HCF is 1.
Yes, sir.
Their HCF is 1, okay? As an example, 2 and 3, okay? As 2 and 3 are prime numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the factors of 2. Factors
1
of
and
2 are,
2.
yes, very good,
1
1
and
and 2. And factors of 3,
1 and 3.
yes, very good, 1 and 3. So common factor will be
1.
factor of 2 and 3 is 1, right? So
Yes,
what
yes.
will be the HCF?
Sir,
HCF
the
of 2 and 3?
HCF will be 1.
1. It will be 1, right?
1.
So as you can see here, 2 and the HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. So at 2 and 3 will be known as co-prime numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 and 4 are co-prime numbers.
Yes,
5
sir.
and 6 are co-prime numbers. Okay.
Sir, 4 is not a co-prime number.
4 and 5. I said 4 and 5.
Oh,
है
okay.
ना? Because the HCF of 4 and 5 is 1 now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please note down this one. है ना? And after this we will learn the properties of HCF. Few properties of HCF we will learn that one.
Yes.
So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Now give the heading properties of HCF.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The first property said that the HCF of two or more number, HCF of two or more numbers exactly divides the number. Okay. See here, try to understand it. As HCF is the factor, right? What type of factor? So it is the highest factor of the given numbers, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
And as it is the factor of all given numbers, so we can say that it is the common factor, and ultimately it is a highest common factor, right? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear? So as the HCF, the number which we get as a HCF of the given numbers, this number is the HCF of the given numbers, right? Factor, this number is the factor of the given numbers. So factor means it can be divide the given number exactly, right? So the same thing is saying by this sentence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't write now. Okay. First try to understand it. है ना? For writing, I will give the separate time. The HCF of two or more numbers cannot be be greater than any one of them. Okay, any one of them, right? Because it is the factor, na, so that's why. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if a number, the third thing is, if a number is a factor of of another number, then their HCF is the smallest number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
small, or you can say smaller number. Smaller number. See, try to understand it as 2 and 4. Okay, for 2 and 4, 2 is the factor of 4, right? And when you will find the HCF of 2 and 4, ultimately you will get the 2 as answer. Okay, which will be the smaller number, right? Similarly, 4 and 8, as 4 is the factor of 8, right?
Yes, sir.
And when you will find the HCF of 4 and 8, you will get the 4 as answer, which is the smaller number. So these are the three properties of HCF. Please note down it. Okay, after this we will try some questions of exercise. Yes, Ethan. So is there any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Now you can find the factors of any highest common factor of any number, right? You have to do in the same way, right?
Yes, sir, I understand.
As we have done above, है ना? Here, factor of 2, factor of 4, then we will find the common factor and then we will write the highest common factor. So similarly, you have to solve the whole questions of A from 1 to 12. See in your book.
Yes, sir.
See in your book, page number 121. I think you can solve all these questions from 1 to 12, right? Suppose as see the question number 7. As here 30 and 60, you have to find the highest common factor of 30 and 60.
Sir,
So
which one?
first, seventh number.
7. So, okay,
Yes,
yes.
30 and 60, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So first you have to write the factors of 30, then you have to write factors of 60, then you will write common factors of 30 and 60, okay? And then you will write the highest common factor of 30 and 60, okay?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way,
It's like homework.
yes, you have to do all this question in homework from question number 1 to 12. The whole question A. The whole question A, okay? Now turn the page. Turn the page.
Yes, sir.
You have to try the question B also. The whole question. In this also there are total 12 different questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
When you will see the question number 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you have to find the HCF of three different numbers, okay? Let's try this one just now. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Find the HCF of 15, 25 and 60. First try it by yourself and then send me the photo. After this, I will explain it. Okay. See the question. Find the HCF of 15, 25 and 60. Just try it. First write the factors of 15, then write factors of 25, then write factors of 60, and then write the common factors of 15, 20 and 60. After that, in the last, write the highest common factor of 15, 25 and 60. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
as you have done for the two numbers, similarly you have to do for the three numbers. Okay. Please do
Yes,
it.
yes.
Yes, good Ethan, very good. Hana, you have solved it correctly. See here. So as first of all, we have to find factors of 15. Hana.
Yes,
So
sir.
factors of 15 are, we will write 1, tell me, 3, 5 and
3, 5, and 15.
15. Then what we will do? Factors of
25.
25 are,
1,
what are
5,
they?
and 25.
Yes, very good. 1, 5 and 25.
25.
After that,
Factors of
factors
60.
of 60. Very good. Are
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
yes,
5, 6,
hmm,
10, 12, 15, 20, 36.
6, then 10, then 12. है ना? 12,
Yes,
15, after that 20,
20,
30 and
60.
60. Okay. So common factors we will write. Common factors of 15, 25 and 60 are, what are they?
1 and 5.
1, 1 and 5.
5.
Very good. है ना? Yes. So highest common factor of 15, 25 and 60 is, what it will be? 5. है ना?
5.
Yes. So in this way you have to do this type of questions. Okay. So you can
Yes, sir.
solve the all questions now of B
Yes, sir.
1 to 12.
Yes, sir.
See the last question. In each of the following, identify the pair of co-prime numbers. So just now, few minutes ago, we learned that कि two numbers will be known as the co-prime when
Copy number. Yes, sir.
when the HCF will be, when their HCF will be
1.
1. Very good. It's mean here what you have to find, you have to
It
find the
means that you have to find the
HCF of the given
HCF
numbers है ना, in each set. As an example, in each of the following, identify the pair of co-prime numbers. So as an example, the first one, 18 and 35.
35.
Suppose we have to check here whether they are co-prime or not. First try it by yourself, then I will explain it. Okay, please try it Ethan, and tell me whether they are co-prime or not.
Yes,
Okay, Ethan, let me check.
yes, sir.
So factors of 18, okay, factors of 35, okay. 1. So here you have written common factors of 18 and 35 is 1, okay. Till here
Yes.
everything is correct. But after this you have to write the HCF, na? You forgot that line.
Oh, so you
Directly you
have
have written ki 18 and 35 is a co-prime number. No, not like this, dear. See here how we will do it, okay. At first we will find the factors of 18, okay, are,
yes,
what are they? Tell me. 1, 2, 3,
3,
6
6, 9, and 18.
and 18, okay. And factors of 35, what are they? 1,
1,
5,
5,
7
7
and
and 35.
35. Okay. So here we will write, so common factor of 18 and 35 is 1. Okay. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 35 is 1. Okay.
1.
Hence 18 and 35 are co-prime number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like this you have to solve it. Okay. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
है ना? So in this way you have to solve the all questions till 8. The set C full. Okay. So please note down this one. Okay. And please note down your homework also. The set A full. The set A full 1 to 12 questions. The set B full 1 to 12 questions. And the set C also 1 to 8 questions. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir.
And in the in next class we will continue with LCM, least common multiple. Okay. Or
Yes, sir.
lowest common multiple. So for today that's all dear. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Please do the all questions and submit your homework as soon as possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Okay. So okay, for today that's all. Thank you.